Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can fix Instagram note camera option not showing. So this happens when you have a slight glitch in your Instagram app itself. For that, make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram. Head over to your Play Store, search for Instagram. If you see update, tap on update. And if you see open, then that means your application is already updated. Now, for the next step, you're going to have to restart your device. So long tap onto the power button, tap restart, and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then select settings button of your application and select apps. In here also type in Instagram and now select storage. Clear the cache. Now tap onto your Instagram, log into your account. If it's still not working, log out of it and log back in again. And once you do that, this will fix the problem. Thank you for watching.